Hello everybody, we are Master's team and today we are in a panel discussion to talk about a great topic, engineering.
Aldo, Victor and me are going to explain to you about the very specific characteristics of this topic. And I'm glad to announce that we will have a video call with an experiment today who will also talk about this topic.
We will start with Alfonso, who will explain to you a brief description of the career.
Good afternoon, Aldo. I am Alfonso Alvarez, a mechatronic student, and I'm talking about a description of what is the engineering career. The trend to a global economy has forced companies to raise their international competitiveness, and engineering is the synergetic integration of these areas: mechanics, electronics, automation, and control. These new disciplines have contributed significantly to the creation of a new technology based on way to increase a business productivity, improving the quality of its products and reducing production costs through automating their system, integration of technologies and innovation, and designing the construction of devices and intelligent machines. Now, an engineer from ITESAN is a professional with extensive practical and multidisciplinary knowledge that integrates the develops automated systems, technologies, and involving various fields of engineering. It includes the operation of the mechanical, electrical, electronic, computer components of industrial process. Selecting the best methods of technologies, the design and develop comprehensively a product or process, making it more compact, with a lower cost, with value-added functionality, quality, and performance. Now, guys, I will talk about the likes and dislikes of the career. For example, we like our career, all the things that we will be able to do. For example, an engineer can design, will, and deploy products and mechanic systems to meet emerging needs under the ethical commitment to their economical, social, environmental, and political aims. What makes this special is to generate applications of solutions. Engineering have based on creativity, innovation, and continuous improvement, increasing the competitiveness of enterprises through automating these processes that contribute to increase the productivity, improve quality, reduce costs, and reliability of them. An engineer can design, simulate, and integrate electronic devices and mechatronics such as robots, numerical control plates, programmable logical controllers, industrial computers, among others, to improve industrial manufacturing processes, as well as for innovation and continuous improvement the products in the company. Sometimes the slides of our career are, for example, exposure to danger every day. What I am saying is, for example, an engineer have every day to fix machinery that can make you danger, and if you, for example, don't like math or physics, it's not a career that you should study.
To you, why do we study this career? The reason we've chosen this career is because there's a lot of opportunities in innovating new products, and not to mention the areas of opportunities. As an engineer, you can work technically in any factory. It doesn't matter which position you develop. You could be either as a monitor or as a CEO. Nevertheless, you must be organized, have your own schedule, being available in any moment when your co-workers require your help. And with these attitudes, you can show anyone that you are able to manage a company or an industry.
Great.
I know suddenly I'll be applying for a job. I hope to work in a factory because I really like it. Better if it's focused on cars. Personally, I've chosen this career because it is focused on industry and I'm really intrigued on industrial action, and suddenly I'll be able to watch it really close. I will talk about the current status of the engineering career. In recent years, with the rapid development of economy and the continuous advance in technology, the demand of high-level talents with expertise has been gradually increasing. Every day, it's more necessary to have an engineer either in a company, an industry, or laboratories in order to keep developing new products. As an engineer, we must be able to manage our times, to optimize the times of production, offering a better quality and being also able to produce more in the less time possible. Focused always in increasing the offer of our products, since the demand of the same products has grown rapidly. Some pros of being an engineer is that you don't have to be available 24/7 in most cases, that you have the autonomy to manage your own time and that you can basically work anywhere you want. You can work either in production, in management control, or in quality.
Hi everybody, my name is Victor Bejarano and I'm going to talk about what we expect for the future. Well, in a certain future, we expect to get a very important job in an engineering area, or creating our own business related to technology, for develop new gadgetry for make easier the lifetime of the people. Well, we need to prioritize the management of the research and development area in new projects, because this is the future of new technologies. I want to be responsible for the management of a merged company with an extensive reputation. I sometimes get in touch with engineers of my family, and I ask him about relevant information with the purpose of acquire important knowledge concerning on how to be a successful leader in the industrial world. 3 months ago, we were taking our first engineering class when the teacher asked about what we think for our future. Well, actually, I come up with an idea for answer this question. I want to be the classic example of the successful leader, break into new areas where no one has dared to invest heavily in this sector, because they think that is some risk. Most of our goals are planned for the future, made an organigram for us use and organize all in order of the less important to the most important. Hold up with the team is really important, so we have to be very patient with our goals. Tec de Monterrey is more generous than other schools because they give to us the opportunity of have an experience in assembly line in a factory. With this in the future we can have more capacity than other professionals in the industry. Tech trains you to be the best. When you're hired by a company, you have to develop new skills. Nevertheless, you have to evaluate your weakness skill and make it stronger. Yes, because if you make it stronger, you can develop and you can be better than others.
Finally, I'm going to explain to you what is certain about an engineering career. Well, today in Mexico there are many industries where a lot of engineers working, but those industries lack of engineers worried about his team, empathetic with them, and especially engineers seeking care environment. Certain is that as an engineer you can develop many tasks and you can be in charge of many areas. For example, you can deal with other entrepreneurs, you can lead a team, or you can be a CEO. Also, it's certain that as an engineer you can also build a prototype and investigate or delve into the world of science. And I think that create and innovate could be very useful for the world. Nevertheless, some engineers think that creates a prototype could be more difficult than working in a company. But this is not true because, for example, some steps to build a prototype are the next ones. Number one, a problem must be identified. Number two, the solution to solve the problem through the prototype should be proposed. Number three, material for the prototype has to be gotten. And finally, number four, the problem should be solved by the prototype. As you can see, it's not difficult to create and innovate, so I'm willing to create an organization where it can help other people to develop their inventions and prototypes. I'm going to create like a factory where the people can make, sell, and help other people with their inventions. But my company will be different. It will be the most competitive about science and technology in Mexico. Nevertheless, if I want to achieve this, I have to take a great example as like a company, and I'm talking about Disney, which is one of the most powerful companies in the world. So I have to analyze the next. When did the company begin, and why was the company a success in the past and also in the present? Well, it started in 1923, and since then it is still very successful. However, their achievements are not the sales. The most important reason for its successful is the team. This company is focused for help, motivate, and recognize every employee in their team. For example, every month the CEO is meeting with the best of the employees to give them some prizes and promotion. So when the personnel are motivated, they will do better. They will do better their task. I have developed a lot of prototypes for the last 4 years, so I want to follow Disney examples and have my own company with a great personnel that every time that they do the very job, I will recognize and motivate, so both parts will work well.